Okay, see the steam. Wait, leave it alone. Maybe we should get a smaller piece of ice. Or we can stick this and still have the heat. No, put it under hot water. Yeah, we'll stick it under hot water. From there. What? Stick what? The ice. There we go. Oh yeah. So. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think we got it. We're done. Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go. Are you going to my joy? I'm using my joy. I'm using all my joy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're moving that way. Okay. We're done. Poor Kate. She's exhausted after a long day of working with these idiots. You're incompetent. I don't know what to do with myself. You're always all day. Ow. Ow. And at least the cat is nice. Where? Okay, this is Kate Veggie Burger. I'm hungry, okay? She was in this house since 12 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock now, and she ate the whole entire day, non-stop. She inhaled all of Alyssa's refrigerator and freezer. She is a savage, okay? Look at her. That's all she ever does is eat the whole entire day. Okay?
Kate ate my baby.
She even inhaled the cat. That's how hungry she was. Put the knife down. That's dangerous.
My peanut butter. Peanut butter sauce.
You're gonna stab somebody's eye out any day.
You're not welcome to use the peanut butter. Peanut butter. No.
Kate, get out of this house. Out. You're not welcome. Bye. Go, Kate. Leave. Ow, my foot.
Sorry. No.